Hello, hello, hello. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. I hope you are always in Allah's protection and always healthy. Oke, kembali lagi bersama saya, Miss Ina Torikotul Murokobah, dalam kesempatan menyampaikan materi yaitu mengenai passive voice. Ya, pasti teman-teman semua kelas 9 bingung, penasaran. Apa itu passive voice? Ya, gak usah khawatir, kita akan bahasnya. Apa itu passive voice? Passive voice dalam bahasa Indonesia dikenal dengan nama kalimat pasif. Kalimat aktif dan kalimat pasif memiliki beberapa perbedaan yang sangat mendasar. Bila pada kalimat aktif, subjek kalimat atau orang melakukan pekerjaan, sedangkan kalimat pasif, subjek bukanlah pelaku pekerjaan, melainkan objek. Nah, seperti yang kita tahu, jika kalimat aktif, subjek dulu, verb atau modal, kemudian objek. Sedangkan untuk kalimat pasif, yang pertama yaitu objek, selanjutnya yaitu verb atau modal, dan kemudian ada objek, kemudian verb atau modal. Kalimat pasif dalam bahasa Indonesia dapat dengan mudah dibentuk, yaitu hanya dengan menambahkan awalan di depan kata kerja. Contohnya, jika kalimat aktif, adik menendang bola. Sedangkan pada kalimat pasif, bola ditendang oleh adik. Tetapi dalam bahasa Inggris terdapat cara yang sedikit berbeda untuk merubah kalimat aktif menjadi kalimat pasif. Kita harus merubah beberapa bentuk kata kerja dan menambahkan to be di depannya. Contohnya yaitu pada kalimat aktif, my brother kicks the ball. Pada kalimat pasif, the ball is kicked by my brother. Ya, sekarang ada pertanyaan nih. Kapan kita menggunakan kalimat passive voice? Ya, passive voice digunakan jika kita ingin fokus pada kejadian, bukan pada siapa yang melakukannya. Contohnya yaitu ketika active voice, the man is kicking the ball now. Dipasifkan menjadi the ball is being kicked now, or the ball is being kicked by the man now. Selanjutnya yaitu pernyataan bahwa passive voice digunakan untuk menghindari suatu subjek yang semu seperti subjek someone or somebody. Contohnya yaitu pada kalimat active, someone is hit the mirror last night. Dipasifkan menjadi the mirror was hit last night, or the mirror was hit by someone last night, like that. Oke? Selanjutnya yaitu ada notes nih pada passive voice ini. Dalam bahasa Inggris terdapat beberapa kata kerja yang bisa memiliki dua objek seperti teach, pay, give, ask, tell, show, and number. Contohnya yaitu Mr. Aldo teach the math. Mr. Aldo teach me math. Itu pada kalimat aktifnya. Sedangkan pasifnya yaitu I am taught math by Mr. Aldo, or math is taught by Mr. Aldo to me. Like that. Pola-pola passive voice, yaitu secara umum pola passive voice dibagi menjadi 4. Apa saja? Ada present passive voice, past passive voice, future passive voice, dan modal auxiliary passive voice. Present passive voice, yaitu simple present tense. Ada simple present tense yang dicontohkan kalimat aktifnya. Budi writes a letter. Formnya yaitu subjek. Ada subjek Budi, kemudian writes, verb 1, a ladder objeknya. Kemudian passive voice-nya, a ladder is written by Budi. Jadi subjeknya itu a ladder is written by Budi. Jadi tinggal dibalik gitu ya. Oke, next. Person continuous. Active voice-nya yaitu servant is cleaning the floor. Servant itu subjek, to be plus verb ing, dan kemudian the floor-nya itu objek. Passive voice-nya menjadi the floor are being cleaned by the servant. Formnya seperti ini. Subject is, am, or are, being, dan verb 3. Oke, next. Present perfect tense. Active voice-nya itu someone has written the letter. Formnya itu subject, has, or have, plus verb T, kemudian objek. Passive voice-nya yaitu the letter has been written by someone. Formnya seperti ini. Subject, has, or have, been, plus verb 3. Selanjutnya itu present perfect continuous. Active voice-nya seperti contoh, we have been helping the poor people. Subject, we have or has been, verb ing, helping the poor people, menempati sebagai objek. Passive voice-nya itu the poor people have been being helped by us. Formnya seperti ini, subject, have or has, been, being, plus verb 3. Oke, selanjutnya yaitu past passive voice. Simple past. Contoh aktifnya yaitu I ate fried rice yesterday. Subject, verb to, and object. Pasifnya, fried rice was eaten by me yesterday. Subject was or were, verb 3. Selanjutnya itu past continuous. The boys were painting the wall. Subject, to be, verb ing, object itu active voice-nya. Sedangkan passive voice-nya, the wall were being painted by the boys. Subject, was or were being, verb 3. Lanjut past perfect. Active voice-nya yaitu we had watched Titanic movie. Subject, had, verb 3, and object. Selanjutnya itu passive voice-nya. Tadi active voice-nya dipasifkan menjadi Titanic movie had been watched by us. Past perfect continuous. The man had been cutting by grass. Subject, had been, verb ing, dan object. The grass had been being cut by the man. Itu passive voice-nya. Are you got it? I hope you got it. Future passive voice. Simple future. Maggie will wash the car. Itu active voice-nya. Subject, will, plus verb 1 dan object. Passive voice-nya, the car will be washed by Maggie. Subject, will be, plus verb 3. Future continuous. Andre will be collecting the paper. Subject will be verb ing and then object. Passive voice-nya, the paper will be being collected by Andre. Future perfect. John will have sold the car. Passivnya, the car will have been sold by John. Future perfect continuous. Michael will have been presenting final project. Final project will have been being presented by Michael. The last one is modal auxiliary passive voice. Modal auxiliary terdiri dari can, could, might, will, would, should, must, and ought to. Contohnya active voice-nya yaitu the woman can answer the question. Passive voice-nya yaitu the question can be answered by the woman. Jadi yang pertama pada kalimat aktif ada subjek, modal plus verb 1 plus object, kemudian yaitu subjek modal plus be plus verb 3. Okay, thank you very much for your nice attention, and I hope you are always in protected by Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.